Artisan cheesemaking refers to the traditional method of crafting cheese in small batches, often by hand, with a focus on quality and flavor. Using high-quality ingredients such as fresh milk and cultures is vital to ensure the best results. The cheesemaking process involves various stages like curdling, draining, pressing, and aging, each crucial in developing the cheese's texture and taste. Understanding these foundational aspects is key to embarking on a successful cheesemaking journey and creating delicious artisanal cheeses at home. Having the right tools and equipment is essential for successful artisan cheesemaking. A basic kit typically includes items like a large pot, thermometers, cheese molds, curd knives, and cheesecloth. Each tool serves a specific purpose. For instance, thermometers are crucial for monitoring temperatures during the cheesemaking process, while cheese molds help shape the final product. When selecting equipment, consider factors like material quality, size, and maintenance requirements to ensure they meet your needs. Investing in good quality tools not only simplifies the cheesemaking process but also enhances the quality of your homemade cheeses. Embarking on your cheesemaking journey involves following a step-by-step guide to craft your first batch of artisan cheese at home. From preparing the milk to aging the cheese, each stage requires attention to detail and patience. To ensure success, it's important to be aware of common mistakes such as improper temperature control or insufficient curd cutting. Additionally, there are plenty of resources available for further learning and experimentation, including books, online courses, and local workshops. By continually expanding your knowledge and skills, you can hone your craft and create a variety of delicious artisanal cheeses.